This is a quick video on how to build up our new mini monkey bikes. Firstly, get everything out of the box and lay it out to check you have all of the parts. Begin by resting the handlebars gently in place and putting the brackets on. Then hand tighten the bolts. You can then put the handlebars in the position you want and tighten the bolts up properly using the Allen key provided. The brake and the throttle can twist around to get them in a comfortable position for your child, and again, just tighten using the Allen key. You're going to remove the black side plastic by removing the screws at the front and back of the bike. Once this is off, you'll see a black plastic fuse holder above the battery. Open that and insert one of the supplied fuses. This may spark, but is nothing to worry about. Ensure there is power to the bike by switching it on. Underneath the battery pack, you'll find a red switch. This is to control the speed. You can turn it on fast to reach around 10 miles per hour, or slow to about 6 miles per hour. On top of the bike, you'll find the power supply to turn the bike on and off. You will then need to reassemble the bike, putting the screws back in front and the back to hold the plastic in place. You can also adjust the speed underneath the bottom of the bike through the finger hole without needing to take the casing apart. You then have the option of stabilisers, which are bolted on using the provided spanner. They don't reach the floor as they allow for the bike to tilt whilst turning corners, and the child can get used to the fact that the bike leans when riding. When charging the bike, it needs to be turned off. All parts and bolts need regularly checking to ensure they're tight and haven't become loose during use.